one of our final awardee categories for the evening, which is Best Production Mobile. And the Best Production Mobile award has been won by A Closed Book. So a little bit of a round of applause for that. I would request Mr. Purnendu to start off with what you felt about the overall production value. Of course, production signifies, tying in a film all together in that one sweet, neat package. So I would request you to please share your thoughts on how you felt about A Closed Book.
And also, we would like to congratulate Team Closed Book for winning the best production in the mobile category, because this was also most probably a lockdown film, and as we see, there have been a lot of other lockdown films shot purely on mobile. So in the mobile category, congratulations Closed Book for this. And yes, of course, over to Mr. Purnendu now. I'm sorry I cut you in, but we just had to congratulate the team.
I think it was a very courageous effort that they have shown, number one, on the subject, which is a very, sensitive subject which they chose. Number two, they have shown so many things. I mean, there was a violence, there was murder, lot of things, and if you make a film, a complete film, you will use probably 10 types of lenses, starting from wide lens to close up, all kind of lenses. But here it was just a mobile camera. They had limitations not only of the lens, but the lights also. I could see that they probably use the normal lights available on the location. They have not used any additional light. So obviously, when you shot something with a mobile camera, the capacity of the lens to take a picture on that kind of a light is also limited.
Right.
So for that, I mean, it was a complete package which had even acting, subject, actions, and situations, build-up situations. Everything was complete for me.
Fantastic.
Also, I liked the lighting, the way they kept it, to be very honest. That the fact that it was not, created, it was just what they had, made it very real. And if they transfer it on an actual, with camera, proper camera, if they shoot it, it is as good as a full-length film, the way they have dealt with it. And it is definitely a very, very sensitive subject. I think I wrote it in my comment that the sheer bravery or the courage to deal with something like this in itself, is a very, very
Definitely.
important aspect of this film.